Omo, let us cook some delicious traditional black soup today. But before then, let me pamper my face and smell nice for my kitchen, for my kissing, for my kitchen. So today I'll be cooking this soup with different mede mede. When I say mede mede, I mean different type. I'm using this biscuit bone. I have this for a very long time. I just brought it out last night for it to defrost properly. So because I don't wash my beef before keeping them in the freezer, so I just washed it now. And I am going to be cooking it with this my pressure cooker. This pressure cooker is a lifesaver. 2 minutes, this meat is done. And of course, I'm washing my canned banga to put it aside. And my yummy bush meat my father-in-law sent to me. Oh, that man, that man, that man. The God that will bless that man, not be small God. Oh God, please blessing him with long life. If it's only for me to be eating bush meat. But first of all, let me gather some strength first. Let me eat. Let me eat to get more power. Plenty power. Then I remembered I have bushmeat cooking up. So these are the leaves which I got previously from the market. I have washed them and I saved them in the freezer. They've been in my freezer, I think, for almost 2 months now. Yes, sometimes I leave this leaf in my freezer for more than 3 months before cooking them. So I need to grind them properly with oil. You know, in the village or back home, my mom, they will ask us to go and grind this leaf. We will go to the machine, we will go there with oil. That's if I am not grinding it with grinding stone, because that my mama that time, she's always telling me to grind it with grinding stone. Oh God. And that is our native Maggi. We call it Ogibi Ugbore. If you are from Edo State, you understand. And this is the Bangana. Don't trust me and crayfish. Me, if I don't have crayfish at home, it means I am sick. It means I am not okay. It means I am not all right. It means something is wrong with me. And that is the bush meat going into that pot. Did you see that bush meat? Oh, go back, go back, go back. Look at it again. And I have washed my fish and I'm adding the meat now. You see, if I tell you the story behind that fish that I properly washed, just look at me now. I'm putting the fish now. This fish is not a shite play fish. So this fish, hey, this is the kind of fish people use to pay bright price that they use to cook ogo soup. And this is the end of my black soup